Good day, sir. This is Mhea Sumampong, and in this video, I am going to discuss product rule and quotient rule. The product rule tells us that if P is a product of differentiable functions f and g according to the rule P of x equals f of x times g of x, then the formula will be P prime of x equals f of x times g prime of x plus g of x times f prime of x. So here's the first example. For this problem, x to the power of 4 is our f of x, and then 3x squared plus 7 is our g of x. And now let's find the derivative using the formula y prime equals f prime of x times g of x plus g prime of x times f of x. Then we substitute the given functions and now we get 4x cubed times 3x squared plus 7 plus 6x times x to the power of 4. During the distributive property, we get 12x to the power of 5 plus 28x to the power of 3 plus 6x to the power of 5. Then we combine like terms and we get the answer y prime equals 18x to the power of 5 plus 28x cubed. For the second sample problem, our f of x here is 2x squared plus 1. And our g of x here is 5x cubed minus 6x. Let's find the derivative f prime of x equals f prime of x times g of x plus g prime of x times f of x. We substitute the given functions and we get 4x times 5x cubed minus 6x plus 15x squared minus 6 times 2x squared plus 1. During distributive property and FOIL method, we get 20x to the power of 4 minus 24x squared plus 30x to the power of 4 plus 15x squared minus 12x squared minus 6. Then we combine like terms and we get the answer f prime of x equals 50x to the power of 4 minus 21x squared minus 6. The quotient rule tells us that if q is a quotient of differentiable functions f and g according to the rule q of x equals f of x over g of x, then the formula will be q prime of x equals g of x times f prime of x minus f of x times g prime of x all over g of x squared. Let's have our first example. 4 plus x is our f of x, and x cubed plus 5 is our g of x. Now let's find the derivative y prime equals g of x times f prime of x minus f of x times g prime of x all over g of x squared. Then we substitute the given functions and we get x cubed plus 5 times 1 minus 4 plus x times 3x squared all over x cubed plus 5 squared. During distributive property, we get x cubed plus 5 minus 12x squared minus 3x cubed all over x cubed plus 5 squared. Then we combine similar terms and we get the final answer y prime equals negative 2x cubed minus 12x squared plus 5 all over x cubed plus 5 squared. So in this second sample problem, 6x cubed plus 3 is our f of x, and 5x plus 2 is our g of x. Now let's find the derivative using the formula f prime of x equals g of x times f prime of x minus f of x times g prime of x all over g of x squared. Then we substitute the given functions and we get 5x plus 2 times 18x squared minus 6x cubed plus 3 times 5 all over 5x plus 2 to the power of 2. During the distributive property, we get 90x cubed plus 36x squared minus 30x cubed minus 15 all over 5x plus 2 squared. Then we combine similar terms and the answer is f prime of x equals 60x cubed plus 36x squared minus 15 all over 5x plus 2 squared.